Welcome to watch today's fresh home. A home that captures the mood of a holiday while answering the demands of daily family life. Soul House by 868 Architects and Hammercorp finds its rhythm in layered landscaping, materiality and spatial fluidity. Located in leafy Bardwell Park in southern Sydney, it retains mid-century charm while embracing a contemporary palette of robust finishes and warm materials. The clients are a couple with children, explains Lauren Garth, senior designer. Their initial brief was to create a home that evokes a sense of peace and rest. They have a deep connection to Fiji, which became a key influence, bringing in a calm, resort-like feeling. From the outset, the design explored how to recreate those restorative moments typically experienced on holiday.